Support and resistance using Fibonacci retracement. Hey guys, and welcome back to an exclusively new video on my channel Tradingfyive. And in this video we are going to discuss about a very powerful tool which is called as the Fibonacci retracement. This tool will help us identify the support and resistance level for the retracements in the market. And let me tell you that if you understand how to use this tool properly in the market, then it will help you generate a huge return on your capital from the stock market. So if you don't want to miss something that can make you money, make sure that you're watching this video till the end. Do not skip it. And one more thing, if you find anything valuable, anything that can add value to your trading, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. Alright, and let's start with this video and let us first understand how this tool was actually formed. So this tool is based on Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio. So as you can see on the screen, this is how the Fibonacci sequence looks like. I have considered this sequence from 0 to 34, but it can go up till infinity. And let me show you a magical element in this sequence, which is the golden ratio. So over here you can see when you divide any two consecutive numbers like 5 by 8 or 21 by 34 from this sequence, you get a common result which is 0.618. And similarly, when you divide two numbers by skipping a digit like 5 by 13 or 8 by 21, you get a common answer which happens to be 0.382. And again, when you follow this procedure by skipping two numbers, that is by dividing 3 by 13 or 5 by 21, you get a nearly common result which is 0.236. And these answers what we got are nothing but the golden ratio. We will use them to plot the support and resistance for retracement on the chart. And just like them, there are other retracement level like 0.78, 0.5. And you know, I have explained in detail that how this Fibonacci sequence is actually formed and how can we obtain various golden ratio from it in one of my video. The link will be flashing above or you can check out the description. And let me tell you that the whole concept of this Fibonacci sequence and golden ratio was discovered by a person named Leonardo Fibonacci. He was the person who first found this mathematical sequence and the ratios. And he observed that this concept of Fibonacci sequence applied to every aspect of this universe. So some people thought, why not apply this concept in the stock market and technical analysis? And that is how we got the Fibonacci retracement tool. Now just understand what do we actually mean by retracement. You know, when the market is in uptrend or when the market is said to be in downtrend, at that time the movement that the market makes against the main trend is called as retracement. And this Fibonacci tool will help us identify how long a retracement will last or how can we find out support and resistance for that retracement. Let's see how this tool actually works. You can see here there is a price which is actually in uptrend. And how can right at the top the price is retracing down. So what we will do here is that we will connect the low which is made by the main trend and the highest point in the main trend using the Fibonacci tool. And on the left hand side you can see various golden ratios that will act as support for this price. And since the price is in uptrend, we will look for support for buying the stock and not resistance. So right now you can see the price comes near the 0.236 retracement level. We will buy the stock, we will take a long entry. And we can expect that the price will form another higher top. And that is how you trade on this Fibonacci level. But sometimes what can happen is that the price may reject this 0.236 or 0.382 retracement level. And it can maybe take a support at 0.5 or maybe 0.618. So that is where we get a long retracement. Let me show you this on the chart. So right now we are here on the chart, and here first you can notice that the market was slightly in an uptrend, and after that the market starts to retrace. Now I don't know how long this retracement will go, but we can figure that out using the Fibonacci retracement tool. So right here we will use the Fibonacci retracement tool and we will join the lowest point of the main trend and the highest point together. And let us see what happens. The price comes down and takes a support at the 0.618 retracement level. So you see the price actually rejected all of these golden ratios and directly retraced down up till 0.618. And that is what I was telling you previously. It is not necessary that the price may take a support at 0.236 or 0.382 retracement level. We have to wait patiently for a perfect setup like this. And we will take a long entry on the next candle, which is the confirmation candle. So we simply buy at the closing of this candle and our stop loss will be below the swing low. So in case if we go wrong, we will exit with a minimum loss. Now let me give you a pro advice. You can use the Fibonacci tool alone to take a trade, which is fine. But you can use this tool along with some other indicator to make it a very perfect trade. So let's say I am using the 20 SMA strategy, which I have taught in many of my videos. And according to that strategy, we will buy on this support on the 20 moving average. And this is exactly where the price takes a support at the 20 moving average, where our entry in the stock triggers. So you can see there is a support on the Fibonacci retracement level as well as on the moving average. So this is like a double confirmation, a 7-star trade. So now let us see what happens next in the price. So you can see the price sustains the support and continues its uptrend. So you can use a trailing stop loss over here to secure the profit. And that is how you make a huge return trade. And you can see here we are not using any tips or news for trading. We are doing our own research, our own analysis and making money out of it. And this is what our channel Tradingfyive teaches you. So lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Share this video as much as possible. And do not miss such many content on the stock market and technical analysis. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next video.